Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 6th, 2025, and we're diving into CDW's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. CDW, a leading provider of IT solutions, has just released its Q2 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their revenue growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. And let's start with the top line. CDW reported net sales of 5,976 million for Q2 2025, a 10.2% increase from last year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by increased customer demand for notebooks, mobile devices, software, and data storage solutions. Despite economic uncertainties, CDW's diverse portfolio allowed them to capitalize on improved customer spending in certain segments.
And how about profitability? The gross profit increased, but the margin decreased. Can you explain that?
Sure. The gross profit rose to 1,241.2 million, a 4.9% increase. However, the gross margin fell to 20.8% from 21.8% last year, mainly due to decreased rates in hardware categories like data storage and servers and lower contributions from netted down revenue.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. CDW's operating income saw a slight decline, but their non-GAAP operating income increased. What does this tell us about their operational efficiencies?
The decline in operating income to 420.2 million, down 3%, contrasts with a 1.8% increase in non-GAAP operating income to 509.7 million. This indicates that CDW is effectively managing its core operations, excluding one-time costs like acquisition-related expenses and transformation initiatives.
Looking ahead, what are CDW's growth prospects?
CDW aims to exceed U.S. IT market growth by 200 to 300 basis points. Their focus on delivering complex infrastructure solutions and maintaining strong customer relationships positions them well for future growth. Additionally, they've announced a quarterly dividend of 62.5 cents per share, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. The corporate segment saw significant growth. What were the key drivers here?
The corporate segment sales increased by 17.6% to $2,582 million, driven by strong demand for IT solutions across various industries. The small business segment also performed well, with a 12.6% increase in sales.
How did the public segment fare, and what about their international operations?
The public segment saw a modest 2.2% growth, with notable increases in sales to healthcare and government customers. Meanwhile, CDW's UK and Canadian operations, combined as other, reported an 11.6% increase in sales, highlighting their successful international strategy.
CFO Insights. CDW's leadership provided some insights into their performance. What did CEO Leahy emphasize?
CEO Leahy highlighted the strong performance in navigating dynamic market conditions and achieving mission-critical outcomes for customers. She emphasized the power of CDW's balanced portfolio and customer-centric strategy.
And what about CFO Albert Morales?
CFO Albert Morales focused on optimizing cash flow through effective working capital management. He reiterated CDW's commitment to returning cash to shareholders and maintaining flexibility across capital priorities.
Key takeaways. In summary, CDW delivered a strong Q2 2025 performance with impressive revenue growth and strategic initiatives. Their focus on customer-centric solutions and operational efficiencies positions them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing CDW's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on CDW's performance in the comments below.